In the last video, I was discussing what to expect with re-roofs and main panel upgrades when going solar. And in this video, I want to discuss what to expect from the time the site survey has completed to the time that solar is actually installed. So about a week to 2 weeks after your site survey, if it's a pretty standard project, meaning maybe a main panel upgrade, battery, and solar, batteries are becoming more and more popular and demanding, especially in California because of public safety power shutoffs events and wildfires and red flag warnings. More and more homeowners are subject to that. So people are buying batteries to make sure that their home continues to have power during a power cut. So during the time, from the time of site survey to that, people are working behind the scenes. You don't know who they are. They are usually engineers, electricians, structural engineers and whatnot, and they're putting together everything. And I'm going to come to you and I'm going to say, here's your scope of work. This is what we know and can say absolutely needs to happen with this solar project. That's the time when it will be confirmed. If we're questionable about whether or not you need a main panel upgrade, that will be confirmed then. If you need a re-roof or a partial re-roof, that'll be confirmed then. Everything about your project will be confirmed during the scope of work confirmation time. And this is when, if you get a re-roof and the quote comes up higher, like $5,000 more, that's when we say, hey, you need to authorize this and make sure you're okay with this, because if you are, it's going to increase your cost, and that it'll require a change order with the financing company to include that. So this is when we say we really are solidifying the plan. You approve the layout of where the panels are going, and once that scope of work is confirmed, then everything goes to the city for permitting, and the permitting can take, it goes into, the engineers really get all the drawings, the detailed drawings that the city or county require to issue the permit. All of that work is done. And this can be anywhere from a week to 3 weeks, depending on volume of installations that they're working on. It will get done and then sent off to the city, county for permits. And as soon as those permits are issued, then it's installation day. So that's what to expect during that scope of work time frame. It's usually about a week or two after site survey, usually about a week. If it's a very large project and we're waiting for a roofing company to come in and provide the quote, it can add time to that. So that is what to expect after the site survey pre-installation. So I will go over that in the next video.